About the vent again.
Downdraft.
Yeah, the downdraft. It was downdraft vent.
Yeah, so downdraft when it goes into the cabinet, this lip here sits on top of the
Okay, so this sits on top. So we had a guy from Mike from the Granite Marble place said that this. He said this here was going to be below.
Well, that's why he works on marble and not on appliances.
Oh God,
Makes sense.
No, he said no, man. He said he did. That's all he does for a living, man. He says he's done a lot of these before.
Okay, no, yeah. So this has to hold it in place like this.
Okay, so that's different from what he told me. So,
Yeah.
so this is on top of the counter.
Yes, like this. Let's say this is the counter, then so it sits like
Okay,
this.
and the stick would be the countertop.
Yeah. Otherwise, let's say you put it under the counter, this is gonna move. Make sense?
Well,
Because you know how you got the big space on the counter?
It's not gonna sit under the counter. There's no way he's gonna sit under the counter.
He said there's some like supports here.
The brackets.
Yeah.
That's just to keep it from tilting forward. And this sits on top of the counter, and that keeps it from tilting back.
Yeah, but
Okay, so when we put the brackets here, that's not gonna hold both ways.
okay, now and then the downdraft vent or the cooktop
Yeah.
would be like where?
No, not so the glass will sit to like right. It has to sit to like right there. Okay.
Right there. So
Yeah.
so I'm going to see a little bit of this here.
Say what?
I'm going to see a little bit of that gray.
You know your cover.
No, because the other cover.
This cover is gonna.
No, it doesn't cover all the way. You see?
Yeah. Okay, and then it will go like this.
Yeah. So it doesn't cover all the way.
No, because you need space for this to go up and down.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if it's too tight, this is not gonna work properly.
Yeah. Okay. Unfortunately, that's like completely different because this guy from the Granite Marble said that the countertop was gonna fit underneath the countertop like this.
That's why he does granite.
Huh?
That's why he does granite.
That's why he does granite.
And not
But
appliance.
no, but he says he measures this for a living for the downdraft vent.
Yeah, measures and not install.
Not install.
No, no, stop.
Okay.
Makes sense, yes.
So, well, somebody is making sense, and then for two different people to tell me
Me.
two opposite things, only one will probably make sense.
Marble guy, Mike, is not making sense, man.
Mike is wrong.